to set up Amazon Prime Watch Party. So if you want to set up Amazon Prime Watch Party, then just follow the steps. Here's how you can host a watch party on Amazon Prime Video. First, log into your Prime Video account and then select a movie or TV show that you want to watch with your friends online. After that, click on the watch party from the options including trailer, watch list, and share. The feature is accessible through Prime Video's website and the application. So you will find the watch party option on the bottom of your screen. You can simply go with watch party. To watch a series together, you will have to select watch party appearing next to the individual episodes. After that, enter a chat name. Once you enter the chat name, you need to create a chat. Once you've created, now click on the create watch party option. Amazon will generate a link to be shared with your friends and host the streaming. Here you will get the send invite or invite link option. You can simply copy the link and then you can send it to your friends. Only the host has controls to pause, play, or end the streaming. However, each participant of a watch party can modify their audio controls and subtitles. So that's it. That's how you can set up your Amazon Prime watch party. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.